Welcome, Rich's Slot Car Room. I'm Rich, and yeah, today's Tyco Tuesday. Yes, sir. Lamborghini Countach. I think that's how you say it. Countach. Pretty cool car. It is Italian, and it is yellow. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now. Go down there and hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up because this is an awesome video. Hit the thumbs up and hit the bell and be notified. Click on all so you get notified every time I make a video. Yes, this is a pretty cool car on a 440x2 narrow pan. All new silicone tires on it. Yes, sir. I'll bring it right here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Not a lot of detail on it. Well, I guess there is kind of, sort of. It's got the Lamborghini emblem and both headlights, front grille, Lamborghini on both sides, side mirrors. Yeah, red tail lights with a little bit of silver in them. It's supposed to be chrome, I guess. Chrome tips on it, the old tailpipes, and 440x2 chassis. I think we'll take this off and we'll clean this while it's sitting on the dyno. Well, if I could get it off of here. And we'll set that right there. Let's put it on the dyno and see how she runs. Yes, sir. That's it right there. This one here is exactly the same, except it has silver right there in that back window. That's the only difference I can see. Number 30. Well, I never turned it back on. I did everything to the car, and it wasn't filming. Yeah. So, yeah. So, I'll put it on the dyno. We'll start all over. Should actually hit 281 before. Nice shiny pickups. I just cleaned them all up. Guess I can put a little more oil on this here. And we'll throw it back on the dyno. I looked this up in a book. I'll clean it again. Won't hurt it none. Yeah, I was getting ready to take it over to the track, and I looked down and put it on pause, and I seen that it was 2.5 minutes. So I'm not sure where I was at, but for some reason it stopped recording. Okay, this is a pretty cool body. Now, I already looked this up in a book. This is an ultra cliffhanger body. Super cliffhanger, ultra cliffhangers. This yellow body is not a cliffhanger. They did not make a yellow body that was a cliffhanger. So they used the cliffhanger mold to make this body. That's exactly what they did. So even though this is not a cliffhanger, it's made like one, and there are other bodies within a Tyco community that use a cliffhanger mold that are not cliffhangers. 275, we'll put the body on, so we'll get 280. So Tyco did use a single mold, and they molded various cars, different color ones, used different plastic. They molded that in yellow plastic. There's 80. Not sure. If you guys are watching or not, I will look it up again. There she is right here. This one here has silver on the side. This one is the black window all the way around. This one is not it. It's 30. And it is not a ultra cliffhanger. It is not a super cliffhanger. It is a 440 times 2. Dark orange yellow, painted. This car is not painted, it's molded. So this is incorrect. 29 is molded. It might be 29, this one right here. Yellow, dark yellow, I'm not sure. I think this is all screwed up right here. But it's definitely 30. Looks like 30. Must be 30. Yeah, we got 280 out of it. That's not too bad. Not too bad. We'll put this thing back on the bottom. It's not like any little kids will be coming here and racing. If there are, they won't burn their fingers. There we go. Gotta make sure that doesn't stick up. If it's humped up a little bit in the middle, it's not in all the way, it will hit a piece of track and flip over. Alright, let's take her over to the track. Runs pretty good. See if we can lap this top car. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, she runs good, hugs real good. Lamborghinis are low profile, and they all run good. Yeah, that'll run right into that. Lamborghini. Lambo for short. Yes. Don't try to spell Lamborghini. Borghini. Yeah. G-H-I-N-I. Yeah. Most people don't leave the H, put an H in it, they leave it out. Yeah. Pretty cool car. Hope you guys like that. If I get 50 thumbs up, I will do a Tyco Friday. Yeah, that's going to be my new policy. If I get 50 thumbs ups out of you guys, I will do a Tyco Friday. If I don't get 50 thumbs up, I ain't gonna post it. I'll have one made, and you won't get it. Maybe you'll get it next week or the week after. So hit that thumbs up. Like I said earlier, beginning of the show, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That helps the channel out. This channel needs help. I've been on it for 2 years. I know I lost my channel twice. I actually got rid of it the first time. I just like, the hell with it. And then I decided, hey, it's something that I want to do. And I'm retired and I wanted to do something. So I'm doing this. And I don't care if people don't like it. Too damn bad. I'm doing it. And then I lost my channel. Yeah. Because I had multiple channels and I tried to switch them and it just deleted it. Yeah. So yeah. This laptop is wanting to do a Windows update. Yeah, it pisses me off. It popped up right before I put it on pause to go over to the track. Luckily it didn't do it, so yeah. Appreciate you guys. And yeah. So yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, 50 thumbs ups and you will get a Tyco Friday. And yeah. Leave me a comment about the car, not about the weather. Hi, Rich. This is not a live show. Although some of you think it's live, or some of you think that I'm watching it while you're watching it and want to chat with me, and I am not. I do not do that. And if I do someday, you'll be lucky. Yeah. I usually watch it when you guys watch it. I watch it in the morning, 8 o'clock when it comes out. So I could do that, but I don't. So yeah. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a message, leave me a comment about the car. And I appreciate you guys. And yeah. I will catch you guys Friday. Later.